Hello, and welcome to today's presentation. Today, I'll be showing you how to set up your folder for storage, specifically for EDCI 270. To begin, you're going to go to New, you're going to click on Folder, and then you can add a title to it. After you do that, your folder has been created. After you do that, if you want to create a new document and add it to the folder, you hit New, go to Google Docs, then it will automatically label your title. After that, you're going to go hit File, Move, How to Grow a Garden, Move. After that, you can go back to your drive to make sure that it was put on the file. Double click, and there it is. You also can share documents. So if you go back to the original document, you can hit Share. You'll type in an email address and then hit Done. Thank you so much.